another iOS 18 update, and when I tell you guys I didn't think it could ever get better than iOS 14, which is when the widgets first became a thing, I think it just did. And a lot of people might not agree with me on this, but if you ever wanted a pink heart emoji, a white bow emoji, a cute little teddy bear, literally any emoji that you can think of, you can now do that. And it is the coolest thing ever in my opinion, because it just makes my text messages and my vibe so much more me. And I wanted to make this video for you guys because even though it's a very quick tutorial on how to do everything, I feel like there's a lot of things that Apple might be releasing soon. That's not confirmed, so don't quote me on that, but based off of the updates right now, you can only use the new emojis in messages and in the Notes app, but I did find a way that you can add them on TikTok and Instagram and for thumbnails and stuff like that, so I'm gonna explain that at the end of this video. But first, let me just show you these customizations because I'm so excited. So I'm gonna start screen recording. I will say that the number one thing that is so important for this video is you need to have your phone updated to not just iOS 18, but iOS 18.1. If you don't have your phone updated to that, then this most likely will not work, so just keep that in mind. If you don't know how to update your phone, all you're going to do is go to settings and you're going to click general. By this software update, there should be a 1 that's highlighted in red, and then you'll just go through the steps on how to actually update it. I think you just click update and your phone will do the rest for you. And once it's updated, it's going to say iOS 18.1 is up to date. So that means that your iOS is updated and that this should work on your phone. Then once you have that updated, you're going to go find your photos. Now you can use Pinterest, you can use Threads. You can also use the app Genmoji. I think that's how you say it. I may have pronounced that wrong. You can use TikTok. For me, I've been using Threads, but I will have some of the pictures that I liked saved on my Pinterest as well. So if you want to easily find some of the same ones that I use, it'll be easy for you. I'll have my Pinterest links down below and it'll be in my iOS board. So let's go to Threads, and all you're going to do is you're going to go to search and type in aesthetic iOS 18 emojis or exactly what you're looking for. A lot of people have been posting them, so it should come up pretty fast. As you can see, there's so many cool emojis and they're just so aesthetic and cute. Count how many times I say aesthetic and cute in this video because I promise it's going to be a lot. But once you find a picture that you like, you're just going to go through them and screenshot the ones you like. So let's just go through a few of these and take a few screenshots so I can easily show you how to do this. So once you have everything screenshotted, I'm just going to do those for now. We are going to go to photos, and in photos, what you're going to do is click on the screenshot you took and hold down and then click add sticker. Then it's going to pop up in your stickers like all of the other ones I've been doing recently, and they will eventually turn into emojis, so just stay with me for a minute. But to show you guys again, all you are going to do, hold down, it'll highlight for you, add sticker, and it'll add to your stickers. Honestly, it's a very easy thing. It's just a little tedious depending on how many you want, and if you're anything like me, I added about 1,000 because I'm obsessed. Then you are going to go to messages because, like I said, this only works in messages and the Notes app right now, but as you can see, we obviously still have our stickers, but all of the emojis come up here as well. So let's say I literally wanted to use all of these as emojis, I can, and it's really cool because now they will actually show as emojis. So you just go through, use them as emojis, and they come up and send as emojis. And I believe the other person that you're sending them to will get the emojis that you're sending as long as they have their phone up to date with the new iOS 18 update. So then you just hit send and they send as really cute and aesthetic emojis, which I think is adorable. So that's how you do it on your phone. Now the big question is, well, how do I get this on my videos for TikTok? How do I get this on my Instagram stories? Because I posted this video on my TikTok and this picture on my Instagram and got so many questions about how I got it to transfer from just my messages, if that makes sense. And I'm not going to lie, it's a little difficult. You can use CapCut or Final Cut Pro, which is how I originally did it, but it is not the easiest. I'm not sure why you can only use it in messages right now. Copy and paste doesn't work from at least when I'm filming this video. Maybe there's going to be an update that will allow it to work, but what I figured out is if you go to the app Pixar and you click this blank transparent screen, you're going to go to the bottom where it says add photo and you're going to click the one you want to add, hit add, and then on the bottom there's this remove background. Click remove background and it'll remove it and make it transparent. Make it either bigger or smaller. For this case, I want it to be an emoji, so we're gonna make it smaller, and then hit apply and then save. Then you're going to go to your Instagram story, click on the picture you want to have the emoji come up on, and then go to images, hit photo, add it as a photo, and then make it the size of an emoji. So that's kind of how I added all of them them on my Instagram, because even though it is an emoji on my phone, you can't use it. So this is basically how I did that this morning. If you do follow me on Instagram and you were a little confused, this is what I did. I do think it looks really aesthetic. They do look like emojis, but again, as of right now, we're still waiting for the official update for it to be easily an emoji on Instagram, but this is how I did that. I still think it looks really cute, but it's not a actual emoji yet, but you can still get it to look like one, but at least it still looks cute. Then the other thing I wanted to show is how to do this on TikTok. So if you go to TikTok, and I'm just gonna go to one of my giraffes. On TikTok, it's a little bit harder, but there is a way to do it. So you're going to click this, I don't even know what that's called, square with the two eyes, click that, and then click the add image. Click the image you wanna add. So let's say I wanna add this bear. Make sure you hit upload to remove background, and then it's going to highlight the page. It's going to cut out the emoji, and then you're going to click OK. Then it's gonna look like this. You're going to resize it, so basically just shrink it. It's a little hard to shrink though. Oh, it worked, okay. And then you're going to take the emoji and put it anywhere you want. So it's definitely a little bit more time consuming, but let's say I wanted this here and I want the emoji directly under it. That's how I would do it, and it still looks like an emoji, but again, it's not. So that is how I added my emojis on TikTok and on Instagram. I think that it is worth it because it looks cute, but there's no official way to add them, at least as of right now. I will make an update when there is. I don't know how long it's going to take, but if you're anything like me, I've been waiting to have cute aesthetic emojis for so long, so this is definitely a step in the right direction. That's going to be it for this video. I know it's really short. I just wanted to film a quick little video for you guys and have something out there for if anyone does need help on how to customize them. If you stayed up until this point of the video, let me know your favorite emoji that you're going to be adding to your new emojis. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye.